In this video, you get to see me drop a bolt.
Oh, I twisted it the wrong way.
Swallow some coolant.
Oh, I got coolant in my mouth.
And then drop another bolt.
Thomas.
Hi guys, today we've got a bit of an engine overheating problem. It can only be the radiator, fan, temperature sensor or thermostat.
So the radiator looks good, it's quite new. So today we're going to replace the thermostat and the top hose and see how we get on.
I'm under the car and I'm about to release the drain screw so that we can get a bit of coolant out so we can take off the top pipe. Oh God. It released from the wrong spot.
It's about now we realised we should have put a tube where the coolant comes out.
Oh, I got coolant in my mouth.
Right, spit it out.
Oh. On my lip. That was right where we were laying.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Oh, I twisted it the wrong way. But I twisted it the way I twisted it when I was in the car.
Right now I can't stop it. Oh, wow, that's lucky.
Look, cool.
Right, twist it the right way. Right, that was lucky.
I knew it wouldn't have got in the bottle because it couldn't have got through the
I
tiny...
didn't know how long the funnel was, how thick the funnel was.
After we had taken enough coolant out, we could put the under tray on, lower the car, and then it would be easier to work on.
So we released all the coolant from the top of the pipe and here it is. So we're about to undo the clip. Now my big nut.
About the right amount of coolant out, didn't we?
Yeah. And my hand really hurts now.
So we've just taken out the old pipe and the top of it has got like plumber's tape on it.
Oh yeah.
It looks like someone's used as a bodge to seal up the pipe. Now it's possible that if air is getting in, that could be part of the problem for our overheating issue.
Oh.
So it might just be that replacing the top pipe with one with a decent seal solves the problem.
Oh.
We'll find out.
Okay, so the top screw's here, and then there's a connector here, and the bottom screw's just underneath it. So we're going to have to remove this belt and get rid of the vacuum fan. Dad's going to take the tension off the belt by pulling that up. Then I'm going to take the belt off. And 1, 2. We're just going to push that in, pull the clip off. Like that. And now we can see the bottom bolt. So now we need to move the vacuum pump so we can see the top bolt of the thermostat. To move the vacuum pump, we have to undo this screw. So now we have to take the hose off. So there's 2 more brackets to undo. There's this one here, and then there's this one here. We didn't actually have to take off this bolt here, we just had to loosen it. That gave us a lot of movement to get to the top bolt. And for the bottom bolt, we just remove this pulley here.
I think it's just going to come out now. If you just hold it, I think it's going to come out.
I don't know if I can, that's the thing. I can't support it. Got it. Now the bottom bolt. So we do this one.
The one above that.
There's one above.
Here.
Oh yeah.
Might be a bit of water dripping out once it comes off. Well, there will be.
Okay, so now we're going to try and pull the thermostat off.
Is it pretty wedged?
Huh?
Is it pretty wedged?
Yeah, I think so.
Hold that.
Bit of liquid came out. So now we've got to get the new one, and then we'll just place the new one in there.
What is it they always say?
It's putting in is the opposite of putting out.
Something like that.
We're just using a bit of very fine grit sandpaper just so we can clean up the edge a bit.
Don't want any leaks, do we?
No. With the new thermostat in place, all we have to do is bolt it on.
Right, before it's fully tight, do the other one.
Okay. Now we just have to reconnect the electricity. I'll tighten back up the vacuum pump. So we've got a bit of a problem. The third screw I may have dropped. So we're going to try use a magnet and find it.
Thomas. Where did it go?
I don't, it went like here. That's clever.
Where did it fall down?
I don't know, here. So I was trying to fit it through that hole, see if I could hold it. It's either dropped right there, there.
Right, we didn't hear it come out, did we?
No,
Didn't hear it touch the floor.
I heard it clang.
Like touching plastic.
Something or metal. It'd be good if we could shake the car. Just hear a
Take the
little
car
more.
upside down.
Concentration mode.
I've got one finger.
I thought you had 5.
I've got one finger on it. Huh.
So how I found it was I had one finger on it and it was between the wheel arch liner and the wing.
Okay guys, so my amazing little hands did it again and I found the screw.
No, you didn't find the screw. You dropped the screw.
But if the invention I did... Yeah! If the...
Yeah, don't drop this in the engine bit.
Yes, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Righty tighty.
Holdy, don't droppy.
Tighten back up the vacuum pump.
Now we need to put the top hose on.
Where is the top?
Top hose over there. No.
Ah, this.
Top hose on.
Which way?
We need to put the top hose on. Oh, we need to put this pulley on first and put the belt back on. That's what we'll do next.
Cricket. Aw. Next we have to put the pulley back and then we can put the serpentine bit on. Nearly there. Next put the pipe on. It's got like a triangle
Yeah.
bit in it.
So pull the pin out.
Oh, grenade!
all the way in. Little twist. That's it.
Yep.
Pin back in. Good.
Oh, da da da, da da da, da 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 da. Ba-da-ba. Next, we're going to take off my chest plate and then put it on the car. Hi, Iron Man. The engine's all put back together. I found that screw, so now we're going to put the engine cover on and refill the coolant. We're good.
So the engine's run up to temperature, the thermostat's opened, so it's obviously working. Looking at this pipe, the fact it's got plumber's BFT tape really makes me think this could have been what the issue was all along. But anyway, we replaced the thermostat, replaced the pipe. It's been an intermittent problem anyway, so we'll have to try it for a while and see if it comes back. If it does come back, I guess it could be the fan or the temperature sensor, or if anyone's got any other ideas to what it could be, comments below would be good. Good job. Time to clean up.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates. Bye!